help you today? Oh, I see you've noticed our new self-checkout. Would you like me to show you how to use it? Okay, first thing we need to do is scan your card. All right. Let me show you. There we go. Yeah. And I'll type in your PIN number. Next, all you have to do is set your books down right on there. And they've checked out. Now we're going to print you a receipt. And you are all good to go. I see you're reading about yourself. Let's see. We also have DVDs you can check out. But what you have to remember about DVDs is you need to use our little unlocker to check them out. And once it's green, you're good to go. And I see you've piled some of our neat things over here. Now for items like our steam kits, they all have a sheet on them, and you just need to scan the barcode just like your library card, and they'll check right out for you. Same with our games and our binge boxes. Now, if you have a CD, you'll have to go up to the circulation desk and they'll help you check out. And if you have any problems with our self-checkout, you can just visit us at the circ desk. Well, now you know all about self-checkout, so give it a try when you come in next time. Bye!